A dark one no joke no him thing. Him have the fire inside it soaking him skin. Him protected bad ghost in him ring. Him accepted bad place in my king. Young king in the game, like Caesar's son. Don't trust nobody, but me make Lisa come and me and God alone and roll and the piece are gone. I go and do the gun till the visa come. Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel govern the world, worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy are them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead rascal, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass the front up, look less of your seaweed. We no smoke with fish, this are no seaweed. How man a touch them up for free weed? How man feel love us to shit the real leader from batty them band. Harry breed them in a mile and check it that she see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby band. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bumble clad.
Who is that right there? The big bad Scarecrow. But look at the other picture. It's a big bad Scarecrow and a police boy. Now, my intel tell me say the police boy are corrupt. Now look at that picture. You have Scarecrow on the right. You have the boy named Prince in the middle. And the guy on the left, that's Danny Cat brother, at him run the slums. Believe me, him soon dead. And the reason why I say that, cause this is how it always play out. Youth, when you go school, get some education, find a decent job, career, trade, and that you have to do. But you now hold down the slums with the dirty politician them. And the politician them rich and only don't have nothing. Damn, fully done. Now, that boy in the red, him name Bebe. I don't know where the money I get them name from to bomb clad. But them have some of the ugliest name you ever hear on the planet to blow out. And that are him and Scarecrow again. When you notice one thing about Scarecrow, me I show you, how him operate. Now see me again. The boy Scarecrow. Kent. And the boy then had the nigga named Simon. And see him there again. Earlier I say Danny Cat brother, but a Danny Cat cousin. And him around the slums. Them soon kill him. When you forgot school, your friend them a go turn against you. Them no liar. Now, look at that one. Him is Mervyn. You know what his alias is? Dr. Evil. This is Dr. Evil. I just have shown you some of the figures them, and some of the characters them that make up this electric group of people in St. Lucia. Now that's a Scarecrow. And I do this video to really kind of highlight the boy. The boy not have no education, nothing. But yet still, him can run around St. Lucia with gold chain, fly go Jamaica, run go England, this, that. Do all sorts of things, The picture there of him and lean back. And one next dread. And, when me I look on that picture me I remember the youth where the government them find with the headless body. And I lean back and the boy can't responsible for it. And everybody know, but yet still a murder and assault. Come on, Vern God. Now, you see that video here? It's a prelude to the next 2 videos that are coming. Where we are going to talk about Gotham, Monkey City. You understand? That's the name of the new jail in Barbados. The new name me give the jail. First me did call it Gotham. But now me I call it Gotham Baboon City. With that said, me have to touch upon a little bit on St. Vincent. Because, you know, me love the island there. You understand? Me have family in a them island there. You understand? And it really, really upset me to see how the man them a deal with St. Vincent. And me I go take that position here and me not care who like it or bite it. Yo, you see the whole of the man them at St. Vincent una a big blood clot pussy. Every one of una a big bomber ass clot pussy. You understand? Una a coward. Una on the body now on a little blood clot island. And you see me I get upset with the fucking killing. You understand? And the bullshit. And listen, una nah go like the Countryman do. So me I warn you know, you see the people them me I do them thing yeah. Una better turn in on a bomber clot self, you know. You understand? Because me I tell you now, me I go drop a rat on St. Vincent and the whole of them bottom feeder there. We down there and mash up the blood clot island. Una bad and una nah have nowhere for sleep. Una bad and a sleep all in a bush. And them bomber clot thing. They none of una bad boy. Because una nah face nobody and do a shootout. All una do, pick up the American style. Ambush, drive-by shooting. Big bottom feeder. Yo, the whole of the man them a St. Vincent. Una a big pussy hole. And watch, me I come out to the next video for una bomber clot. Listen, this is a warning. My name is Blood Clot Countryman. I'm out, yo.